good thing to give thanks unto the Lord and to sing praises unto thy name, O Most High. Join us at Anglican Church of the Holy Spirit, Bronx, United States of America, as we celebrate our annual harvest and Thanksgiving.
Hello, time and again. It is another season of harvest. I, the Rector of the Anglican Church of the Holy Spirit, Harvest Committee Chairman, Sir Engineer Chibuzo Anyebulem, and members of the Harvest Committee and the vestry of the Anglican Church of the Holy Spirit, we cordially invite you to this great season of Thanksgiving. It is always a good thing to give thanks to the Lord. May I tell you that in 2 Corinthians chapter 9 verse 10, that we took our theme from this verse, and it's great to note that this season we tagged our harvest of increase and righteousness. May you increase in righteousness. You see, in our world today, men and women are deviating from the gospel of righteousness. Nobody wants to talk about it. But this year, may God give you bountiful righteousness. That is the only gate to heaven. And so I invite you to be part of this harvest. We will have Venerable Dr. Sullivan all the way from Delaware. He will be ministering live. I will be present. Reverend Clifford will be present. It's going to be an awesome time in the presence of God. Above all, you can decide to be part of this family. The Anglican Church of the Holy Spirit is a life and spirit-filled congregation here in New York City. We are part of CONAM, the Anglican Church of Nigerian Mission here in North America, and we preach the undiluted gospel. Come and be part of our celebration. Eventually, become our member. God bless you and remain blessed. Thank you.
3840 Seton Avenue, Bronx 10466 USA. Ministering live, Venerable Dave Wanepe, Reverend Clifford Aaron of the Holy Spirit, Bronx.